Earlier this month, Colorado became the first state to allow cryptocurrency to be a valid way to pay your state taxes.
Most consider crypto a gamble, so KREX's Mark Bott went to find out how this plan will work and how it will affect Colorado taxpayers.
The value is in the eye of the beholder.
Tax manager Sarah Work with local accounting firm Stranger, Tallman & Louts specializes in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They've grown massively popular since they first appeared more than a decade ago. But even with that growth, it's still a minority of people who participate in the crypto market.
They may think that this is exactly what they've been waiting for, and they're really excited that the state is on board with allowing them to use digital currencies to pay their tax bills. However, I don't think for the majority of people, the mainstream, I don't think that this is going to have any effect on them whatsoever.
Cryptocurrency critics worry that the digital currency's market volatility could endanger our state's treasury. Sarah tells me there's no danger of that with the current plan, which requires you to basically cash out.
So you're not technically paying your taxes with cryptocurrency. You're selling your cryptocurrency using the PayPal app and then paying immediately with the dollars received.
This may make the new payment method safe for the state, but Sarah is worried that anyone who takes advantage of the crypto payment plan may face unexpected costs.
You may be paying taxes with cryptocurrency, but you're also incurring a tax, actually. If you have capital gains on basically the sale of that cryptocurrency in order to pay your taxes, you are creating basically a registered gain on the sale of your cryptocurrency, if in fact you do have a gain. So
Governor Polis has bragged about the move, proclaiming Colorado as tech forward. And even though the change is revolutionary, for now it comes at a cost for anyone hoping to use it. On top of the taxes and possible capital gains taxes, you'll pay the Department of Revenue an additional $1 charge plus 1.83% of the total amount needed to cover taxes and fees. Sarah has one last piece of advice for anyone interested in crypto.
I caution everyone who's interested in cryptocurrency, please invest with care and only invest what you can afford to lose. It is gambling.
First on the Western Slope, Mark Bott, KREX 5 News.
Now, both businesses and individuals would have to use a personal PayPal account, not a business account, to pay taxes with cryptocurrency.
One other note, while you can pay taxes in crypto, the state will not issue refunds in cryptocurrency.